If you want to protect your colon, it is recommended to eat wheat germ rich in fiber, and you need to avoid red meat and animal fats. If you eat meat, it is better to bake it in oven or microwave than to prepare on grill. Eat more vegetables, especially cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower and Brussels sprouts. These kinds of vegetables have a protective effect when are consumed 2 to 3 times a week. These vegetables are rich in fiber and indulus, which have anti-cancer properties. Also, you need to eat chicken and fish. These two foods have a protective effect from cancer on the colon. Low-fat milk and yogurt can be part of the diet for the defense of this cancer. Reduce alcohol intake to maximum 2 drinks per day, especially avoid beer. These dietary changes are even more important if you already had a surgery to remove colon cancer, or if you have polyps that might develop into a malignancy. In this case, it is recommended daily intake of 1 or 2 bowls wheat germ rich in fiber, or wheat or grain flakes with milk as natural remedies.